Salifikile ngixesha mawethu nazoke into zelale. Oh, salifikile ngixesha mawethu nazoke into zelale. Ndizayithetha laa nto uyithethe emva kwendlu. Ndizayithetha laa nto uyithethe emva kwendlu.
Hey, what's up? It's your boy Kwane, aka Bafana Nyanteni. Welcome to my therapy session, or shall I say my lecture hall. Today I'll be doing a bit of something different for the channel. I hate saying that. Every new video is something different. Okay, today I'll be doing a new video slash a dive into minimalism. Today I'll be talking about a few of the things that I've been thinking about for quite a while, mainly around the idea of excess and minimalism. So the main idea is I'm cleaning out my closet. If you can see, my closet is very full, very disorganized, and the amazing thing is it's full of clothes I never wear. So, and I haven't bought clothes in like almost almost like over a year now. And when I was thinking about it, I found that I don't really like buying things when there's already seemingly like there's things around, because I hate the idea of excess. I hate the idea of like having something more than you actually need. So if you see my life, I always buy like the basic of things. If I don't need it, I don't buy it. And I feel like that's the idea that I want to introduce to you guys, because I feel like a lot of the times we are, especially in this generation, we're obsessed with access. We're obsessed with getting things. We're obsessed with getting, just because someone has it, we have to have it. Just because it's in the market, we want to have it. The new phones, new sneakers, new clothes. Like we always we have this thing of getting access. We always have this thing of like getting more than we need and getting new things on top of the things that we have. And that being from South Africa, a country with such inequalities, I think they said we have the highest inequality in the whole world. And being in a country like this, I think it would be good for us to practice a little minimalism and get rid of the stuff that we don't need. I think that's the main idea of minimalism, like surviving off what you need, surviving off the clothes on your back and the food that you have at the moment. So yeah, welcome to my bedroom. Help me clear out this wardrobe, get rid of clothes that I don't need, so I can actually buy clothes, so I can actually buy clothes that I can wear on a daily. Yeah, let me show you my, it's so full, my wardrobe. This is the mess I'm talking about. This is a mess. Wouldn't it be nice if I can just look at it and then snap my finger? Look at that! And everything disappears and everything is good. Wouldn't that be nice? But one can only wish. So yeah, let me just show you what the dealing with wardrobe. All the clothes are clean, but I make them mess so that I could have something to clean out. So let's get into it. Alright, the first step, obviously, if you're gonna make this worthwhile, is to take out everything from here. So yeah, everything everywhere. Look at this mess. Look at this mess. This is all my trash. Well, technically it's all my clothes, but yeah, this is all of it. Alright, so we start by sorting them out, I guess. This pile on the floor will be the trash, and over there, trash, donation, and clothes I keep. This is not mine, this is my sister's. I don't know why it's going in my wardrobe. So that's a bad start. Trying to keep my sister's. These are my overalls. If you didn't know, I'm an engineer by day, so these are my overalls. There's a bunch of them, so I think I'm just gonna keep over here to the donate pile until I figure out what I do with them.
Me no. Me no take no else. Moving through cause me got clientele. I'm with your girl but me no kiss and tell. You hit me up, me reply with L.O.L. 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 L.O.L.
And I've been holding on to it because you know, like I don't know if you ever bought me, not ever bought me, but like in my items here, this is the fashion she bought me. I think it was birthday she bought this from me from Edgar's, but as you can see, there's nothing left. There's absolutely yeah, there's absolutely nothing left.
Moving through cause me got clientele. I'm with your girl but me no kiss and tell. You hit me up, me reply with L.O.L. L.O.L. L.O.L.
To the same store and buy the same maheu, but the price ain't the same. But the price ain't the same.
This is my statement shirts. I thrifted this shirt, the one that I'm wearing, and this Abraham and the Q shirts. You know, these two, this and this are my statement t-shirts, so I can't get rid of it. And I always feel bad about like getting rid of thrifted clothes. So my tubuya, this one my tubuya, I'm not getting rid of them.
Me no take no else. Moving through cause me got clientele. I'm with your girl but me no kiss and tell. You hit
see, this is what I was dreading. This I know that this shirt has seen better days, but it's my favorite shirt ever. It's black. It's my favorite. It's my brother's brand. I'll show you from back. I don't know how long ago this was. It's camp style. You can see. Oh, it's even see through, guys. It's gone. You know. Here's my stylish shirts. It's my brother's shirts. It's tentative. I might keep it for. Tentative. I might keep it just for being around in the house. So my 24th of September shirts. I don't have any traditional clothing, so this is my fit, you know, for every time there's a Heritage Day. So this is my Heritage Day fit today. I'm assuming this is Tom. Yeah, I think it's Tom. Born at university, and it still fits. So even though it gives me trouble taking it out, and the 24th is coming soon, so I'm not getting So this is all of it. Can't believe I didn't have enough clothes to give away. So this is all there is to throw out. Tentative between throwing out and giving away. And this, guys, y'all don't understand. All of these clothes, I have to give away.
I wanna fold clothes for you. I wanna make you feel good. Baby, I wanna do the right thing. It's better than the wrong thing. I wanna fold clothes for you. I wanna make you feel good. Baby, I wanna do the right thing. It's better than the wrong thing. It's better than the wrong thing.
wardrobe, ladies and gentlemen. It's a little better, emptier, and yeah, I'll clean this, you'll see it after, but yeah. So I decided to sort out the clothes by functionality. At the back there's the stuff I know I won't be wearing this week, including some jerseys, some shirts that I won't be wearing, and then pants in the front because I'm always wearing pants. The stuff which I'm not sure about, like the gym wear, gym fit, is at the back here, and then these are my everyday t-shirts, and then these are the overalls that I had to give to my dad. And yeah, all right, last one. This is my Goodwill bag. It's what I use to give away good clothes. So the last thing is, we gonna pack away the clothes we're giving away, fam. Yeah.
Something better than it's better than a rose day. Yeah, your king make a crown my love. Something better than a rose. Wishing and no waiting and debating on my fate with the skies above. So I just gave up and I said I'm cool. I could do it by myself, ain't that true? Then here come you. Finally feeling like my love is safe. Wanna reciprocate the love I take. I wanna fold clothes for you and make you feel good. Baby, I wanna do the right thing. So much better than a wrong thing. I wanna fold clothes for you and make you feel good.
And we're done. I am in no way saying that I'm a minimalist, but I abhor excess. So that's what this whole exercise was about. Just, clearing my closet, clearing it of all the things I don't need, like making sure that I leave space to pour more so that I can maybe get new clothes, because it was too full of old clothes that I was not even wearing. So thank you so much for watching, and like I mentioned, if you know of any place where I can drop off these clothes around Pretoria, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be sure to check them out and to leave them to leave the clothes there. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, let me know if you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see me, I'm about to change my room too, I'm about to paint my room, so tell me if you want to see that or not. Anyway, thank you. And for Run Pitori, we're back next week. I had some kind of glitches this week, so I'm back. I have 2 more episodes to finish on Run Pitori, so I'm back next week and the week after that. And I also have a surprise for you on Run Pitori, so watch next week's vlog. I have a little something for you guys who've been, supporting the channel. So yeah, until next time, it's been your boy Kwane. Peace out.